Hey J babes, it's been so long. Oh my goodness, it's probably been a month since I've posted. But today I have an amazing video for you beauties. Let's get started. I am starting off with the Face Shop Air Cotton Makeup Base. This base is so lightweighted and it keeps my makeup on all day. It's very affordable too. Definitely check it out, guys. For my eyebrows today, I will be using Maybelline New York's Brow Duo Pencil. I have this pencil with me everywhere I go because it is so convenient and the shade and texture is just perfect. One of my favorite purchases ever.
It's so nice. It's so nice. 도대체 뭐야?
Before anything, I would like to thank Stylevana for all the amazing products that was sent to me. For my J-babes who don't know what Stylevana is, it is an online website that sells all these amazing Korean and Japanese makeup, skincare, and fashion products. Everything is super affordable and I know we all love to save some money. So please feel free to use my code to save yourself some money for some bubble tea. Isn't this palette so adorable? This is the Chica Ichiko One Shot Eye Palette in shade number 2. I love how mini and convenient it is. It has all the neutral colors for your everyday look, which will be great for on the go. Their eyeshadow is very nice and smooth when applied. It does not leave any clumps on your eyelids, which makes it look very well blended with very little effort. For my eyeliner today, I will be using Kylie Cosmetics Gel Liner. This is one of my favorite eyeliners because it is very smooth when I apply it and my wings look very sharp and bold. Nature Republic's concealer smells so good. When first applied, it looks somewhat yellow, but once the blending starts, everything blends well with my skin tone. This is definitely one of my go-to concealers. I applied my lashes off camera, but I am using Lunar Angel's eyelashes. Definitely check them out, guys, because their lashes are bomb. I love Fenty Beauty so much. I cannot tell you guys how much I love Fenty Beauty. Their products are all so good and picture perfect. This contour trio sticks never seem to disappoint me. You guys are probably wondering what happened to my foundation. I applied very little, but I realized my camera was not recording when I applied it, which made me really mad. But I would definitely leave what I used down in the description. Sorry about that, guys. Skin Food's setting powder is amazing. It's very lightweighted and it does not leave my skin looking cakey. Now I will be applying some bronzer from Too Faced Cosmetics and blush from Peach Seeds Cosmetics to finish off my look before applying my lipstick. So this is Hamish Garnish Velvet Lip Tint in shade number 5, which is Dry Rose. The color is very well tinted and smells very delicious too. All their shades look super amazing. Setting my lip with Morphe setting spray and voila! Thank you so much for watching my video, guys, and thank you so much for your love and support. I will continue to try and create content for my beauties to enjoy. See you guys in the next video. Bye guys.